Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. I'm going to show you an easy recipe. It is Neer Dose. It is very delicate and easy to make. You need 1 cup of rice for that. Coconut, fresh coconut I'm using here, a piece of it. I'm cutting the coconut into small chunks so that it will grind well in the grinder. So we need oil. So I'm grinding the rice here along with the coconut. So the mixture is ready. Blend it to a fine mixture. I'm transferring the ingredient into a bowl. So to this mixture I'm gonna add about 1 glass of water. We need thin consistency for making this Neer Dose. You don't make the batter very thick how you make it for the normal dosa. So just keep it thin, and you don't need any experience in putting these doses. You can just splash them on the hot tawa and just spread it evenly. So I'm just covering up the gaps here. So you can also cover this with a lid for about 1 minute to cook. Usually we do not flip sides on this. We'll let it cook on one side and let it slowly cook, and the other side also gets cooked slowly. We do not flip sides, but in my recipe I'm gonna slightly flip sides. I'm just covering it a little bit so that it gets the steam and get cooked on the top as well. So how do you know the dosa is cooked? When it starts leaving the sides of the tawa, then you know that it is ready to be served. You can see now how easily it is coming out. As I told, the recipe doesn't ask for flipping sides, but I am flipping sides just for like about 2 to 3 seconds. You can easily fold it. It is very light and it's very tasty as well. So you can serve this with the coconut chutney or any other gravy which you like. So Neer Dose is now ready to be relished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.